Okay, in this lesson we will learn how to check if the unit is active or not, and does the unit is enabled to start at boot time or not. Okay, first let's check if the SSH is active or not. So let's type systemctl, then is dash active, and the service name, which is SystemD-Service. Now press enter. As you see, the SSH is active and running. Okay, now let's check if the Apache web server is active or not. So I will type the same command, but I will change the service name to httpd.service. Now press enter. The result is unknown, which means that HTTPD service is not running. Okay, now let's check if the Apache web server is enabled to start at boot time or not. So let's type systemctl is dash enabled, then the service name, which is httpd.service. Now press enter. As you see, the result is disabled, which means that the Apache web server is disabled to start at boot time. The last command in our lesson is to check if the SSH service is enabled or not. So type the same command, but change the service name to SSHD and press enter. As you see, the SSH service is enabled to start at boot time. And by that, we get to the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching and see you in next lesson.